What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today we are doing an out-of-state video. We are over in Nevada. It's vacation time. I'm hanging out in Las Vegas for the week, and I want to come check out some trails. So first up, we're gonna be doing a trail called Burro Wash Road, 4x4 recommended, which means we may not have any hard lines today, which is okay. Now, fun fact: 2 years ago, me and you can see Uncle Carl over there. Hi, Uncle Carl. Hi there. Now, a couple years ago, we actually came out to this trail, but we came out pretty late, and it was a really bumpy ass road, and it was a long time ago, so the taco wasn't as nice suspension wise as it was, as it is currently. But we're gonna go out, checking out the trail. Now, as far as I know, this ends at the Colorado River, so you have a nice little destination to go to. So it's a 12-mile trail in, and then you take the same trail out. So without further ado, got a couple cameras hooked up. We're gonna get driving. Once we get away from these power lines, maybe we'll get the drone up, do some scenic shots, everything like that. Let's get to it. See, I remember we came through here last time, and yeah, we were going a lot slower than this.
Actually, next week.
Okay, we're fucked again.
Yeah, you are. You're off the trail again.
Wow.
Dumbass! We were supposed to go back down that thing, huh?
I think so.
Was there a trail there?
Yes.
Yeah, look, the river should be right down there. It's in front of us.
No, it's not. It's down that way.
It's probably over to that.
All right.
No.
Uncle Carl's getting us lost. I guess getting lost runs in the family. It's good to know.
No way.
So there's peace and quiet. Hopefully there's nobody at the river.
Look at these views.
Okay, we got some more rocks coming up.
It's funny, lions can't meow.
So found some extracurriculars, seeing if it's like a trail. I don't think it is. I don't see any tire tracks. I see burro tracks. Oh yeah, look at that. Nope. This is not an off-road trail. Nope. Nope indeed. It's pretty cool though. Fucking Manny lines.
Wait a minute.
Just speed through it.
Oh, sorry, John.
You can pay him later.
You don't need to.
You can pay him.
It's fine. I wanted you to do that.
This is fucking cool.
There's the river.
I should have brought my fishing balls.
Dumbass!
Those all the ducks.
Good job, dumbass! All right, welcome to the Colorado River. This is a cool little spot. This would be great for like a barbecue or hanging out. We got some nasty still water. My favorite. All right. Drone shots? Drone shots.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
So letting Uncle Carl fly the drone a little bit. Oh. Look at Uncle Carl, cigarette in the mouth, flying the drone like a boss. Pretty cool, huh?
Fuck yeah.
So I think we're gonna pretty much wrap it up from here. Burro Wash Trail, it's pretty cool. It's a simpler trail, not very difficult. Honestly, you can make it with a two-wheel drive. Just need a little bit of clearance, and it is a bumpy road, so just be prepared for that. But it's a cool spot with a little getaway. You end up on the Colorado River. Be a great spot to come out, barbecue, maybe cool off on a hot day. I think if you were doing maybe an overland trip and you wanted to stop here for a night, I think that'd be really cool. I think you could camp out. Looks like people have done it before. There's a camp pit right there. But cool spot, Burro Wash Trail. It's on all trails. You guys can check it out if you want. I'll leave a link below. You can check it out there. But we are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channels. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You'll see stuff for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Until next time, let's get it.